Look at that. Look, y'all see that? I know you see it. I know you see it. Might as well make a mustache. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Hey y'all, it's your girl stylist Raven. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Stop watching my videos and not subscribing, because there's quite a few of y'all that do it. YouTube done told me, so I already know. Anyways, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time, I like to talk with y'all and get y'all to talk back with me. So yes, please, 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 humbly, go and subscribe. Don't make me beg. Don't make me be that girl. So today I'm going to be reviewing this Harlem 125. It says best collection. This is the Silk Touch 30 inches. It's good up to, supposed to be curling iron safe up into 400. If y'all ever want me to do a review about how to really use safe curling irons on different hairs that'll say that, where you're not melting your hair or whatever, y'all let me know. I'm happy to do it. So this one said claims to be safe up to 400 degrees. And this was 30 inches, 15% more hair, best quality, soft texture, longer lasting. So let me just go ahead. Y'all see all what the package say. It comes with your washing instructions and everything. Y'all know how the weaves come. So I have it in my hair, 30 inches. I just decided to do like a little ponytail because I've been wearing ponytails lately, so I kind of did a low pony. It's wrapped around a braid to give me a little bit more than 30 inches. And today is my first day wearing the hair, so I'm gonna go ahead. I decided to review it. Number one, it definitely sheds. I think I paid $7.99 for this pack of hair. It was literally under $10. I actually wanted to get like a drawstring ponytail, but then I was like, okay, I'll just go get some tracks, because they didn't have any ponytails in like various colors or anything. So I went to look at the track hair. They still didn't have any in various colors. Might have to order it offline just because Jenny's Beauty Supply didn't have it. But so far, it says Silky Touch. It more so kind of feels more like Canancaline hair a little bit. So I would say if you're using this for like a sew-in or something like that, just be cautious of that. Secondly, it does shed. I've been pulling like little hairs and I haven't even cut the wefts or anything. I have been getting quite a bit of shedding and a little bit of tangling, not too much, but I have been getting tangling. So I'm constantly like kind of brushing through. I think if you have a loop hair brush, you'll actually be fine. Let me show you what I'm talking about. If you have a loop hair brush, and these are dirty, I have to clean them. I've been brushing hair, so don't be judging. These are two that I have. This is a smaller one, and this one is more wide. As you see, all the bristles are looped. Then you would be okay, because, and I say it's dirty, but it's because I've been brushing weave and doll heads with it this morning. So if you have a loop hair brush, it's not going to get caught, and it's going to just pull out them tangles for you. These are the best type of brushes to use with weaves. So yeah, overall, I would probably, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd rate this probably about a 7. I'd say that it would serve the purpose. Even if you want to sew in, just space your tracks out a little bit. If you're putting it on a cap, you know, whatever, I think this would hold up. Now, I can come back and review it to let y'all know how long this lasted or something, but I can pretty much say this will last you about a month, and then, you know, you would need to get some more hair. Now, if you want something better, then you're going to have to spend a little coin. But for me, just to do a ponytail look, just to brush my hair back as a cosmetologist, y'all know half the time our hair is not done because we're doing other people's hair. So this is just a quick, cute spring style for me to do. I give the hair a B plus, a B plus, B plus, B. I'll give it a B. I'll say a C plus to a B. Damn, I just keep rating it lower. 7 out of 10, and I'm gonna say a B. Okay, because like I said, it is a little sheddy. It does feel a little canankaline more than silky, but overall good and good. Y'all go out, cop this hair. If you already have this hair, let me know different styles that you've done with it down in the comments below, and give us your review on it, and let's get to talking. Look at that, look at that, look, y'all see that? I know you see it, I know you see it. Might as well make a mustache. Eeny, meeny, money, mo. Hey gems, it's your girl Stylist Raven here. Thanks for watching my video today. Make sure you check out my previous video, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe, okay? If you're new to my channel, become fam, click subscribe, and follow me on my social networks. Bye!